it's Katarina from Dolled Up Desserts here with another fantastic and delicious gluten-free and vegan recipe for you. Today we're making Funfetti cake mix cookies. These cookies are super special because they taste exactly like childhood. They are made with clear vanilla extract, a ton of sprinkles, and are just a perfect sweet and super easy treat to make. These cookies are based off of our vegan milk bar Funfetti cake recipe, which the link for the video is in the description below, as well as the ingredients and directions for this recipe. So let's get baking. So first things first, like in the Funfetti cake, let's make the cake crumb. In my bowl, I have our oil and clear vanilla extract, to which I'm going to add in our white and brown sugar, a combination of all-purpose gluten-free flour that is rice-based in addition to baking powder, and a healthy amount of sprinkles. I'll then mix them all together to create a crumbly, cookie-like texture to which I will pour onto a baking sheet, spread evenly, and bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes on one side, flip them over halfway through, and bake them for another 5 to 10 more minutes. While that cake crumb's baking, let's put together the actual Funfetti cake cookie. To my bowl, I'm going to add in equal parts of sunflower oil and applesauce. If you watched our video for egg replacers about brownies, you will remember that we use applesauce as an egg replacer in brownies. It wasn't the most ideal in that situation, but for this, it actually works as a perfect egg replacer and moistener, as well as kind of holding everything together. It's really great. I'm also gonna add in a tablespoon of clear vanilla extract, and as always, adding in our vanilla cake mix. And before we add the best part, the sprinkles, we're going to mix this right up. You're gonna notice that this forms a very dry, cookie-like texture. Not as dry as those cake crumbs, but still a little bit drier than your typical cake mix. This is exactly what we're going for. And now that we've got our cake mix cookie dough all ready to go, it's time to add in our colorful sprinkles. We're gonna put together the cooled cake crumb and the cookie dough to make some texturally complex and delicious Funfetti cookies. To assemble your cookies, what you're gonna do is take a small golf ball sized amount of cookie dough and flatten it out like a pancake. You're going to put a small amount of the cake crumb right in the middle, and you're gonna fold up the edges of the cookie dough to form that golf ball again, but this time with cake crumb inside. You're gonna place it on the pan, press it down, and repeat this until all your cookie dough is completely gone. You will have lots of cake crumb left over to snack on, the best part of this recipe. You can throw them into the oven at 350 degrees for approximately 10 to 12 minutes. They're going to spread a lot. So if I were you, I would make sure you put them on a really big pan and space them out better than I did, or you make them smaller than I did. Unless of course you'd like your cookies to touch, then by all means go for it. So delicious. They are nice and soft in the center, but they are a little bit crispy on the outside, so they're the perfect crispy but soft cookie. Thank you so much for joining me and learning how to make Funfetti cake mix cookies. I had so much fun making them, and I know that you will also have fun baking them as well. If you liked watching this video and want to stay up to date with everything Dolled Up Desserts, please hit that subscribe button and show us your love. And if you do end up making these delicious confetti cookies, be sure to tag us on Instagram or Facebook at Dolled Up Desserts Baking so we can see your wonderful creations and share them with all of our followers and make them all jealous of your delicious cookies. And now, if you'll excuse me, I have 16 cookies to eat. Thanks for watching!